All right. The heat ain't playing.
It's not playing.
No.
It wasn't a record today, but it was very warm. Almost hot. I'm reserving hot because we know what's coming. And it's going to get worse as we head into late May, June, July.
Is it really worse, or is it just more of the same? And then by the end of it, it's
well,
like
then you're kind of used to it.
Exhausted.
By August, September, you've kind of grown accustomed to it. Right now, we're just not really used to upper 80s, but today's high was 88 degrees, the warmest we have been so far. 90 is the record, so we were only 2 degrees away from it, well above our average high this time of year. We don't really cool down during the mornings. In fact, most of us stayed in the 70s, a few 60s to start the day today. So we don't really get very cool during the night. That's really more what we see in the summertime. We don't get very cool at night, and then we get hot during the day. Again, I'm saying very warm outside, although I was doing some gardening and it was pretty brutal. A lot of sunshine out at the moment. Dew points upper 60s, low 70s. Humidity right now is at 61%. The current temperature is 84. So with the higher humidity and those temperatures do in fact get a little bit of a heat index. So likely to see temperatures getting into the low 90s as the feel like temperature, even if we don't actually get to 90 degrees for our afternoon temperature. Feeling like the low 90s over the next several days. We're in the 80s outside right now. At dew points, upper 60s, low 70s, so a very humid air mass. I'll be saying the exact same thing for the next several days. At least, though, we do have a bit of a breeze, not a strong breeze, but enough wind to kind of mix the atmosphere. During the summer months, we don't really have much of a wind, so at least that has been helping us out. We even had a few showers around the area during the day, and notice a little more cloud cover up on the North Shore and in Mississippi. Those few showers didn't last for very long, but had a few spotty showers on the North Shore and in Mississippi right now, a couple of isolated showers off the coast. So looking ahead, rest of this week and into the weekend, very warm, humid, a chance for some much needed rain on Friday. Yes, for folks headed out to Jazz Fest, may not be great, but we do need the rain. And then we may be actually hitting 90 degrees by Mother's Day. We got very close today. Here's what's going on. The main storm track is keeping all of these upper disturbances well to our north. However, there is one that is moving across the mountain west that may move far enough south to push a cold front into the area. The front is only going to increase our rain chances. This is that spin in the atmosphere over Montana, or over Utah, Wyoming, and Colorado. This will be moving, staying to our north, but maybe a little bit farther south of a latitude to where it will push a front into the area. That front is not going to move through, so we're not going to see cooler air, we're not going to see drier air, but we will see some rainfall, and we do need the rain. However, just as fast as that upper trough starts moving away from us, an upper ridge begins building in. An upper ridge means we start heating up, and this next ridge looks to be stronger, which is why I do think we will start to see those lower 90s as we head into Mother's Day Sunday and then continuing on into early next week. So really with that front, all we're going to see is a better shot at some rainfall Friday, maybe a few lingering showers into early Saturday, but the rest of the weekend and going into next week look to stay relatively dry. And in terms of record type temperatures, well, for the next couple of days, again, upper 80s, records are in the lower 90s. They're safe. However, as we start approaching Mother's Day Sunday and then continuing into next week, the records are only in the lower 90s and high temperatures will also be in the lower 90s. So we may be talking next week about record-breaking temperatures. Next few days certainly feels like it will be getting close. Better chance of rain on Friday, staying warm, very dry as we head into next week.
All right, thank you, Chris.